Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got a treat for you this evening. They're making it go the wrong way. Okay, I got this one. We'll turn this one up like this. What you put down there, man? Look, it really getting the hell out the way. Look, mama. They're trying to hide. That's the only problem with them balls. I got that one turned on the slow motion. Really like, oh shit. when it starts rolling toward him, he gets out the way. You don't know what that is, does he? So you're not too sure about that.
Ain't even good.
Hello, mama. Hello, mama.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna let you go.
Snoop Dogg trying to get in on that. Snoop Dogg, you getting in on the balls? Don't get me one. Snoop Dogg said let him get in on that. Let him get in on that. Look at the craziness it's got.
Let me plug them up.
We'll see what they do. Yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, ain't nobody coming out. Nobody's getting out. Hello, Ram Ram.
You coming here? That
Well, Ram. His ball gets to stuff and he's like, oh, I'm getting out of here. Look. They were 9 weeks old. It's an update on the. We haven't given this set a name yet. Not the rascals, we'll name them this weekend. Like and subscribe to my channel, Channel 0, 2 exclamation points. Also, a shout out to Erica Boatwright on her channel. You can go over there and find out more details. For now, thank you. Remember, like and subscribe. Because it really helps us with the algorithm. It really helps us to get our message about these dogs and for these dogs to people. I'd like to thank the subscribers that have stuck with me this far. And to new subscribers, this is just the beginning of our journey. Again, like and subscribe to Channel 0. Look up Pet Supplies for All. That's Pet Supplies for All. God bless and have a good night. Good night, everybody.